Hello everyone, this is Lal with One More Mile, and today we are going back to Brown County State Park. We won't be doing any camping today, but we're here to complete the 7 Vista Challenge. Basically, the 7 Vista Challenge is 7 scenic overlooks across the vast 16,000 acres of land. If you hike it, you're looking at about 4 to 5 hours or 7 to 8 miles. With a bike, you can probably cut it down to 2 to 3 hours, and with a car, you can cut it down to an hour or an hour and a half. An hour and a half, depending on how long you stop and pace. Each stop gives you different views, and there are different picture frames where you can take pictures with. And upon completion, you can take it to the visitor center where you can earn a sticker for it. With the expected winter storm this weekend, it is a solid 5 degrees today, so we won't be doing any hiking. So follow us on the road as we drive through the park to see all the scenic views. I'll catch you on the road. See ya! This is the West Lookout Tower. It dates back to the 1930s when the CCC was actively restoring this land. It served 2 purposes. The first one being a fire observation point where the rangers would be able to see the smoke from miles away. And the second being a scenic destination, showing visitors what conservation can do. Behind me is Vista number 2, called the Hesitation Point. Early travelers moving through these rugged hills would often stop here to look out at the valley below. The terrain beyond was steep and uncertain, so people would stop here and weigh their options and feel hesitant. This is the 3rd Vista, and it's called the Friends Trail Vista. This trail is named in honor of the community supporters and reflects on the idea that shared experiences matter. This is the Weed Patch Hill Fire Tower. It is the highest ridge in all of southern Indiana. That's closed, so this is as far as we'll get. This is the view from top of the fire tower, and it is 1,058 feet above sea level.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
This 4th Vista is called Weed Patch Hill, and it gets its name from early agricultural attempts. Farming these hills was brutal because of its steep slopes and constant regrowth of weeds. Over time, much of it got abandoned and later reclaimed by the forest. This is the 5th Vista. It's called Nature Center Vista. This one is dedicated to education, wildlife prevention, and research. Basically, from here, rangers teach visitors about native wildlife, forest succession, and conservation practices. The 6th Vista is called the CCC Vista, which is the Civilian Conservation Corps. The CCC was part of President Roosevelt's New Deal during the Great Depression. It was a great opportunity for young men ages 18 to 25 who would help build parks, trails, roads, and shelters. And that way they get paid, and they were also able to send money home to their families. And last but not least, the 7th Vista is called Hohen Vista, and it is one of the park's highest overlook, designed in the 1930s by the CCC. So we just completed the 7 Vista challenge, and we are going to head down to Nashville, Indiana to collect our stickers. What did you think?
It was fun, just really cold. I wish we could have walked or like hiked a little bit, but it's okay.
Yeah, we'll probably come back maybe in the summertime to see if we can hike it, since the daylight will be longer. Sun is expected to set around like 5 today, so, and with the winter storm coming, we do want to be home by then. But yeah. So we are at the visitor center to get the stickers. Hello. We are here for the stickers for the 7 Vista challenge.
A few moments later.
So here is the sticker you get for completing the 7 Vista challenge, and you can get it at the visitor center at Nashville, Indiana. Well, with that done, I am getting a little bit hungry. What do you say? You want to go get some food?
Yes.
Yeah, you want to say? Get some roasted duck? Alright. It is starting to snow a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it yet. Can we do a 2 roasted duck, please?
Duck
With
over rice?
Yeah. So this is the roasted duck from Judy's kitchen. We always used to eat it when we were here in Bloomington.
Yes. Can't wait.
Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. So good. That was good.
So good.
So we are going to head on back. It is about an hour drive, so we'll catch you guys on the road. Bye-bye. Well, that's gonna be all for this one, guys. We really enjoyed that. It was a nice little weekend activity, but we are picking up a good amount of snow, so we are going to try to get home before the snowstorm starts. And yeah, we probably picked up maybe half an inch, and it's about an hour away. So anything you would like to add?
It was really fun. I liked it, even though we couldn't like actually hiked it. And then the snow only came after we were done, so it was nice. And the food was so good.
Alright guys, so we will see you guys on the road, and thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one. Bye.
The next day.
While we're doing this, it's gonna film.
Hello everybody. It is a chilling 18 degrees today. We've picked up about 10 inches of snow.
That's pretty tall.
Check this out. Oh shoot. That's a good bit. We are currently en route to the store to pick up some food to cook for tonight. What are we getting?
We're getting steak and some veggies.
We just arrived. It was a sketchy drive.
Sketchy drive. Place your herbs.
Well, we've got everything picked up, so we are going to head on home.
See you there.
What I'm doing is rendering the fat.
It's gonna take 1 hour.
You want to hear that sizzling.
Very garlicky.
Is yours ready?
Yes, I'm going inside, working on the mashed potatoes.
Well, we are very stuffed.
I can do a little bit more.
Have a good one, guys.